Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Shopee error checkout S13. Step by step payment and cart issue fix. Fix 1 is change your payment method. Open the Shopee app and go to your cart, then tap checkout. Select a different payment method, then tap place order again. Second one is remove voucher and discount. Open your cart, remove all platform and shop vouchers, then try checking out without any promotion. If it works, add voucher back one at a time. Third one is clear the Shopee app cache. Open settings on your phone, then go to app, then Shopee. Then tap storage. Tap clear cache. Restart the app and check out again. Fourth one is update the Shopee app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then search for Shopee. Tap update if available, then reopen the app and try again. Fifth one is log out and log back in. Open the Shopee app, then go to Me, then Settings, then tap Log out. Sign in again and retry your purchase. Thanks for watching.